Hello, welcome to JustPrintScience.com. We are a wholesale, large format, grand format, and flatbed printer for the industry. Now our goal is to make purchasing grand format banners, rigid designs, or wraps a easy process to go through for you and for your clients. The purpose of today's demo is to show you how easy it is to order a vehicle wrap through JustPrintScience.com. We're going to first start by going to the top menu, and you will see we have isolated different wrap prints with the different types. So walls, floors, windows, backlids, or vehicle. In this case, we're just going to shoot with the vehicle wrap, and we will go to our product selection. On the product selection, you will have multiple brands, everything from Arlon, Avery to 3M. And if you want just wrap film or cut contour graphics, you can choose either one of those. In this example, we're just going to pick Arlon SLX Plus Premium, and we will be able to go right into our drop down of picking a year, make, and model. And we will pick a very common vehicle like a City Express. And our wrap options would be if they want to include the roof, include the front bumpers. Now, when you check these, it will modify and adjust your square footage. Obviously, this is something that's pretty important because you want your panel selection guide to give you kind of the most details that you can have. Now, these details are based off of what those panel sizes are for this specific make and model. You will want to verify your own templates to make sure that they fit within those parameters. This is just for estimate. This is not something that you want to use as a actual permanent guide, but it's just there for you to reference. We're going to just get rid of all that so we don't have any other options available, and we'll just get our square footage right here. Now, our wrap lamination is going to be defaulted to gloss, but if you want matte, you can go ahead and choose matte. Our wrap area, if you don't want to go through the hassle of putting on your panel selections, you don't have to. You can actually uncheck that, and you can just give me a square footage, or if you have just a half a roll you need to print, you can go ahead and type that out and just give me what the linear inches are and send your file. We're going to check this back so we end up with our panel selections so you can see how easy it is to upload your graphics. As you go through your driver's side, passenger side, hood, roof, and rear, you will be able to select them, tell me your print orientation, whether you want them horizontally or vertically. Again, these measurements are based off of the size of the vehicle you did pick. You will want to make sure your artwork templates are in line. These are just for reference only. So once you select your artwork, it'll give you that right here. Now just make sure that your artwork sizes match these dimensions. So in this case, I've actually named these, and so I would go ahead and change them to match these artwork sizes. The next one, you're going to want to know whether you want window perf for your driver. No, I don't need it. Yes, I do. In this case, I'm just going to say yes. Gives you your cost per square foot. You type in your measurements that you want for your window, and it will adjust your price. Do you want it laminated? Yes. And again, make sure your file size matches your height and width. Come here. In this case, this would be 26.5 by 37.931. Okay. Now, you do that with every side and your panel selection, upload your art, and give us the information as you go down. Do this with all your sizes. And if you don't have a design, that's okay. Don't worry about it. You can go ahead and not upload any artwork. Just select your panel dimensions and put your panel dimensions in here, and select your artwork. Once you highlight this area, it will add it right to your final total. And you can either buy now or add to cart and continue shopping. Now when you add to cart, it will go into uploading your files. Now depending on how big your files are, this may take a second. Don't stop, let it continue till it is done, and you will complete your checkout process. And that's pretty much how easy it is to buy a vehicle wrap on JustPrintScience.com. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos.